In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Monster Hunter Rise on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading on random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it and keeping your PC safe. So before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And once you have done that, go to your Google search bar, and what we need to do is locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed with the next step. So go to Steam, click on the website. After that, go to the search bar and search for the game Monster Hunter Rise, and there it is. Select it. Now scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game starts at a price of €39.99. That is quite expensive for a game, especially if you don't know if it's a nice game. So what we will do, we will go to the link in the video description, click on that, where it says find game, and then you will be redirected to this website. Once you are there, we are going to search for the same game. And now I will show you guys a trick. Click on games. After that, select price lowest first. And once you have done that, scroll a little bit down till you find a game which is available on PC and can be activated in your country. So make sure this is marked green, then it is able to be activated in your country. So select it. And as you can see, this game is available at €12.23. And if you compare that to the price on Steam, that is a really good price. So what you have to do is buy this game, then you will receive a confirmation mail. And once you have received the confirmation mail, there will be an activation key in that mail. And what you can do is go to the Steam platform, so over here, and you can go to your library once you are logged in. Then you can use the Steam key to activate this game in Steam, but much cheaper without overspending on this game. So that is basically how you download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time in the next tutorial. Cheers guys!